into 360, enter, then theta is equal to, small r by capital R into 360. Now 25 divided by 90 into 360. Then what is the angle value? What is the angle we get here? Anyone? What is the angle? 91s, 91s are 94s are. That is 100. 100. Now, simply see here, I will draw this problem now. Please, allow me. Escape. Escape. Now, I'm going to be use the line command L. Please listen carefully. The question will be there in your examination. Directly I'm saying, sir, the question will be there in the examination, but the values will be different. Please listen carefully. L, enter. I'm specifying the first point as 0, 0. Rough point. It is not a original point. Roughly I'm taking here 100, 0.
And
then I'm making a point here.
చేస్తున్నాం.
CO, enter. 50, enter.
ఎలా ఉంది?
Yeah, see here. Yeah, from now onwards, our diagram will be start. First, we need to going to be draw the directing circle. That is for bigger circle. What is the radius for bigger circle? From this point as a center, draw the bigger circle. What is the radius? Bigger circle radius. 90. Enter. Please listen carefully. Don't ask me. Sir, please repeat once. Please listen carefully. Yeah, then once it is completed, just draw a line which is of 30 degrees. Before that one, please click on polar on position. Now this here 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees. Just make a one rough line. For this one there is no length is there. Make it a one rough line. Escape. Later, we need to going to draw the another line from this point, which makes an angle of 100 degrees in between this line to this line. From this line onwards, it is for 130 degrees. Just what I'm going to do means I will write here less than 130 degrees. Now simply see here. Yeah, you need to do in last class I already said to you. Please do it here. Now see here. Once line is drawn, now check the angle. What is the angle there here? For this one to this terminal, angle is, what is the angle? Here it is not visible. Then I can change the dim style. Here no need to write anything in on the paper. The entire thing you need to draw on the paper itself. 1.5. Now 60 dimension. 100. Then same thing. This one to this one. It is rough one. It is exactly 30 degrees. For all the diagrams, don't forget to keep the 30 degrees. Okay. Once it is completed, this step is completed. Now use the trim, delete this one. Use the trim, delete this one. CR, enter, delete this line. Does not require, delete this line. Okay. Escape. Yeah. I deleted this one. Now simply see here what I'm going to do. What is the smaller circle radius they given for us? 50 mm diameter, that is for 25 mm radius. Now go to the line, select this point, draw a line of 50 mm, draw a line of 50 mm, SK, 50 mm. Now make it a center point for this one, PO, enter, otherwise divide the terminal, no problem, DIV, enter, select the circle and divide it into two segments. Now see here, it is divided. Now take the circle, this has a center point, draw the circle of 25 mm radius. Now see here, exactly it will be there in that particular terminal. Exactly it will be there in the terminal. Now after doing this one, we need to divide the circle into 12 parts. After doing this one, we need to divide into, is it clear up to here please? Is it clear up to here? Is it clear? Shall I continue? Yeah, see here, after doing this one, next, I need to divide the circle into 12 parts. Use the divide command, div, enter, select the circle, and click enter, click 12 parts here, click enter, see here, but this point does not going to be interact here. Must and should, the 3 points will be laid on the line, but here it is not showing for me. Then what I can do, sir? Please, must and should, this line is going to be interact with this one, or otherwise. See here, when I'm going to draw a circle, see here, this is not, when I'm going to touching this one, this is not going to be interacting here. Only single lines are appearing. Two circles are not interacting here. There is a problem. Then what you have to do means Control Z, don't do the divide operation. Then what you are going to be do means, just make it a point here once again. Make it a one point, EO, enter, just make it a point here. That's all. Escape. After this one, you will find out array option here. Please don't do division option. If you do the division option, it is not appearing. For that reason, I am changing that one. Please use polar array option. Within the array, you will find out polar array. Then select the object. Which object I need to rotate? I need to rotate the point. This point. Enter. And then center point, and then edge point. Now see here, how many division we require? We require 12. Give it here 12. Give enter. Now see here, exactly it is going to be coming. Exactly it is coming. Instead of dividing, we are going to be using array command. Polar array command we are using here. In order to division the particular circle. బాబు డివిజన్ చేసి మళ్ళీ చూడండి బాబు, మళ్ళీ చూపిస్తాను చూడండి డివైడ్ చేసినా వస్తుంది బాబు. బట్ మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే 2 సర్కిల్స్ అనేది కోయిన్సైడ్ కావాలి. లైన్ డ్రా చేసాం అంటే 2 సర్కిల్స్ అనేది కోయిన్సైడ్ కావాలి. ఇక్కడ కోయిన్సైడ్ కావడం లేదు. చూడండి DIV, when I'm going to be consider the DIV, just selecting the circle, enter the 12 blocks, enter. చూడండి ఈ సర్కిల్ అని ఈ పాయింట్ అనేది కరెక్ట్గా ఈ లైన్ మీద రావాలా, వచ్చిందా? ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అపీరింగ్. దర్ ఈస్ అ ప్రాబ్లం. ఆ ప్రాబ్లమ్ని రెక్టిఫై చేసేదానికి, ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు రెక్టిఫై దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం, జస్ట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి యూజ్ ది పాయింట్ PO, ఎంటర్, జస్ట్ మేక్ ఇట్ ఎ పాయింట్ అట్ ది బేస్ పాయింట్ హియర్. ఆఫ్టర్ మేకింగ్ ది పాయింట్, use the polar array function. Here go to the array here, otherwise enter here polar array, POLAR, polar, here polar array, that will be appeared here. Click on that one. There will be asked here, select the object. Which object I need to rotate? Select this point and then click enter and specify your center point. This is my center point. And then after specifying the center point, give here items. It will be asked here items. How many items you require? I require 12 items. Please click enter Please click enter after providing it once. It will be provided here. It will be appear. Okay, is it clear now? Is it clear now? Shall I move to the next step? All of you, shall I move to the next step? I think only 2 to 3 members are there in the class. Remaining people are simply listening or sleeping. I don't know. Here in the examination, the question will be there. Directly I'm saying that. The question will be there. Okay, now next step. Take the circle. This is at the center point. Draw the circles here. Now see here, when I draw this one, 2 circles is going to be coinciding. In previous one, it is not coinciding. Now it is coinciding. Now doing this one. See here. Draw all the circles. I draw it. I draw all the circles. Later, we need to remove this one. We does not require this terminals. Sir, 44. I'm asking from the initial onwards, either it is okay for you, either it is okay for you. It does not reply this one. Once it is completed off of the diagram, you are asking here, please explain from starting onwards. Then what is the meaning of that one, ma? From starting onwards, I'm asking you. Whenever you have a doubt, please raise your hand. After completion of all the program, you are coming here and then I explain once again means. Yeah, once it is completed, I will repeat once and then you listen there. Once it is completed, I will explain once again. Once the program is completed, once I will repeat the entire terminal within result. Okay, now see here. Here, after drawing this one, here see this one, see this terminal, see this one, all of you. When previously I drawn for cycloid. The center line as well as 3 and 9 point will be coincide. See here, 3, C and 9 will be the coincide. Exactly will be straight line. But here, see this one, 3 and 9, the arc will be the different. But the center line arc also is going to be different. Now, we need to draw this one. See here. Please write the steps what I'm doing here. Please write the steps. And then I already forward the manual. And then when you are joining in the college, they will give this some manual for you. Here is the manual. Please see the same steps will be there in the manual. Otherwise, if possible, record yourself, record your screen. And then almost I'm helping you. Some people are making a calls to me, sir, and then I'm helping you. At any time I'm rectify the problems. For one step you will listen, for remaining steps you does not listen. Sir, I forget it, please explain from the starting onward. For simply taking it is easy, while it is doing it is odd. But center it is not appearing. For what center? 46. What center is not appearing for you? Please off the auto mode, then it is going to be considered. Off this one, snap mode as well as the off the auto mode, then it is going to be appear the center. Okay, now see here, go to the circle. Now this point. Now simply I'm going to be change the color for center point. For the center point purpose, I'm going to be change the color. See here, this line up to the center point. This is for center point. Yellow line will be the center line. White lines will be the normal lines here. Now use the trim command. Erase this unwanted lines. The center lines too does not require. We require the lines which are there in between the two lines. Okay, use the trim command. CR double enter. Now delete this one. Yeah, delete this one. 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 Here also do the same thing. Deleting this all the terminals. Now once it is available, then it is compulsory to remove this one. Yeah, I remove it. What does not require this up to the last. Yeah, see here, I removed all the terminals. Then, sir, we can trim the whole part area other than this small circle, other than this one, other than this line terminals, we need to remove all the terminals. Okay, now simply see here, after doing this one, then we need to do, that means we need to divide this center line. In previous one for ellipse, we divide the baseline. Here the center line we need to divide here. Divide it into 12 equal parts. Use the command div, enter, select the center line, then divide into 12 parts. 12 into 12 parts. Divide into 12 equal parts. Divide into 12 equal parts. Okay. Now, after dividing this one, from this center point, join the lines up to this one. Draw the lines up to that particular point. From this point onwards, draw the lines up to this particular point. Yeah, it is for invisible only we are going to begin. These lines are not important for us. First, just join that one. That's all. Join that cell. Does not require anything here. Just it is a construction line, but there is no use for this one. Just for drawing this purpose, we are in these. For that reason only, select the light color. Okay. 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 Escape means ESC. Will be there now at the corner of your keyboard. It will be there one thing. ESC. Okay. See here. Once I drawn all the lines. Once I drawn all the lines. See the next step. We need to make a test here. I will make the test for your purpose. The text. Then justify with respect to your point. Then height will be the 2.5 better. This for 0. Simply see here. This for 0 point. This for 1 point. 2 point. Third point. 4, 5, 6. This is for your 7th point. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12 will be 0. 12 will be the 0. Okay. Now give the point at anywhere. Once again escape. Now give the test and give the test numbering for the center position. Text this one. Yellow lines. Yellow points. Height. That's 2.5. Enter. Angle will be 0. Now right here. I'm going to be right here. C1. Otherwise C1 as the center. C1. This 2. C2. C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, 9, 8, 11. Up to 11. It does not require 12. If you give it the 12 also, no problem. Give it here, no problem. C12. Okay. Once it is completed, points is completed, then see the most important step. This one is very important for us. Now, is it okay for you, all of you, up to here? Is it okay for you, all of you, up to here? Please. Is it okay for you? Shall I draw the diagram now? Yeah. Now, consider this generating circle radius. This circle radius, C1 as a center, C1 as a center. Draw a circle of same diameter, or otherwise use here, I will change the color. Here, C1 as a center with the same radius. That of 25, that is for 25. 25. Click enter. Now see here, I am drawing considering the center as a C1. Center as a C1, I am drawing a circle. You cannot see the color. Now, see here. Now, C1 as a center, I am drawing a circle with a radius of 25. That is exactly for generating circle radius. Then, from where point I need to draw? C1 onwards, I draw the circle. C1 onwards, I draw it the circle. Now, just C1, that means first line. Just see here, first curve. This is the first curve where it is going to be touching. It is going to be touching here. Just make it a point there. CO, enter, just make it a point. And delete the circle. Delete the circle. If you want to delete the circle, delete it. Otherwise, you can move the circle. Move the circle. Move to the C2 circle. That's all. Move to the C2 and then make it a point on second line. Make it a point on second line. Then move the circle to the third point. Third C3. Now make it a point on third line, white line. See here. Third line, make it a point. CO, enter, just make it a point. Now move the circle to the fourth point. Now consider here, make it a point on fourth line. CO, enter. Now after completion of this one, move to the fifth point. Make it a point on fifth line. CO, enter, fifth line. Now move to the sixth point. Make it a point on sixth point. CO, enter. Now move to the circle to the seventh point. If you want to draw the circle, draw it. For each and every point, consider the center point and draw it, no problem. Now, where it is going to be touching here, it is going to be considered the seventh point. Here, why I am going to be considered this line means seventh point will be like this one. In seventh one. Everything we should mention in this type command answer. That is, I did not get it, what you are saying. Now, C8, just mention the point. And the 8th point. Then move this one. 9th point. Point CO. Make it here. Then select the circle. Move to the 10th point. Move the circle to the 10th point. And then make it a point there. CO, enter. Make it a point. And then move the circle to the 11th point. And then make it a point there. CO, enter. Then last point will be the common and will become centered to the here. If I am going to be placed here, it is going to be touches there itself. Otherwise, if you want, make it a point. Yeah, I've prepared all the points for our diagram. I've prepared all the points for our diagram. Then, after doing the points, we need to use, what is the command we need to use here for joining this one? We need to use spline. Shortcut is SPL. SPL, enter, join all the points here. Here, to all the point, 11th point, 10th, 9th, 8th, 7th, if you mirror it, it is not appear. Please don't mirror it. Yeah, once it is already all points are covered, and then click on end tangency, and then click one click. Now see here, and then remove trim this one. It does not require the enter line. Trim this one. Yeah. Now see here. It is for your epicycloid. It is for your epicycloid. It is for your epicycloid. Is it okay for you? All of you, is it okay for you? I draw the another problem. I will solve the another problem. Don't be tense. I will solve the another problem. For your sake, a tangent, you require tangent normal. We'll draw it. Mahmood, don't be tense. I will draw it once again. Another problem. But hypocycloid, you need to draw. Hypocycloid, you need to draw. Same procedure. Here we're drawing at the outside, but hypocycloid, we need to draw it inside. That's all. Okay. Now see here. You require tangent or normal. What is the distance given for you? What is the distance? Tangent or normal? 135 mm. From where? From where? Center of the directing circle. Where is the center? Is that directing circle center? This one is the directing circle center. This point is the directing circle center. Now consider this point. Draw a 135 mm radius circle. Draw a 135 mm radius circle. Draw a 135 mm radius circle. Then see here from right side onwards where it is going to be touches. This is the curve. Here it is touching here. Here it is making a contact. Just make it a point there. PO, enter. Just make it a point. PO, enter. Just make it a point. Delete the circle. Delete the circle. Just OA as a center. O as a center. Draw this circle which is given radius 135, and then make it a point P. Where it is going to be interacted, just make it a point P. After making a point P, now consider the generating circle radius. Take the circle and then mark your point, this one, interaction point. Why we take 135, sir? It's in the question they given the 135. For that reason I take 135. Read the question part. Okay. Now, with M as a center, this point as a center, draw a generating circle radius. That is for 25. Click enter. Then after clicking enter, the circle is going to be contact with respect to the center line. The circle is going to be contact with respect to the center line. This line. Then make it a point there. PO, enter. Just make it a point. Delete this one. బాబు చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే O center తీసుకొని మీకు ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ఇచ్చి ఉంటే, how much distance is given for you for drawing the tangent or normal, please draw the circle. After drawing the circle is going to be contact the particular curve at one place. Just make it a point.